from Taiwan. I decided to take a quiet morning trip up to Beitou, one of Taipei's most historic districts, known for its hot springs, markets, and peaceful neighborhoods. One of the best things to use is the EasyCard, which is Taiwan's all-purpose transit pass. You can use it for the MRT, buses, convenience stores, and even some vending machines. The MRT stations in Taipei are incredibly organized, spotless, and calm, even during commuting hours. Inside the train, you immediately notice the cool air conditioning and the aqua-colored seats. These seats are made from antibacterial molded plastic, which helps you stay clean and it makes it durable. At this time of the day, there's only a handful of early commuters. People here are respectful and unusually quiet. Eating and drinking is not allowed inside the MRT station, which helps keep everything fresh. Once the train arrives at Beitou, I hop off and begin exploring. Beitou has a long history. Its name actually comes from the indigenous Ketagalan word patau, which means witch or sorceress. And did you know that Taiwan has over 6,000 7-Elevens? They're a huge part of daily life here. Walking deeper into town, early risers are already grabbing food from local stalls. And temples and Taiwanese art appear everywhere. Here, I'm entering an outdoor market selling clothing, snacks, fruit, and gifts. These markets support local families and have been around for generations, long before supermarkets existed. Beitou Market is over 100 years old and is one of Taipei's most authentic morning markets. It's still made up of multiple connecting buildings, each specializing in something different. You can find hot pot ingredients like squid balls, stuffed tofu, and prepared foods like the Taiwanese fried chicken, braised pork rice, and scallion pancakes. We arrive in the veggie and fruit sections, where vendors offer bok choy, napo cabbage, cucumbers, long beans, daikon, and many, many more things. I exit the first building and cross over to the seafood hall, a separate building filled with fish on ice and fresh catches from early morning suppliers. Here you'll find salmon, grouper, snapper, mackerel, all on display and all on ice. This marks the end of my walkthrough of the Beitou Market. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more videos coming up.